Welcome to the introduction to AssistEdge RPA. In this video, we will have a brief overview on AssistEdge RPA, its offerings, pillars, and key features. AssistEdge RPA automation platform provides a top-notch end-to-end service for building and implementing RPA. Using AssistEdge RPA, one can configure time-consuming and error-prone business processes that work either on certain rules or require intelligence. Also, we can build and manage the digital workforce to execute these processes again and again without any errors and thereby freeing the human workforce for other higher value work. Thus, AssistEdge RPA spans across the automation continuum from deterministic through intelligent to human-empowered automation. A leading platform, AssistEdge RPA, the best-of-breed RPA solution, enables intelligence, security, and scalability across the enterprise. Using AssistEdge RPA, organizations achieved improved quality with high accuracy, reduction in cost, fast turnaround time, increased business predictability, decreased variability, and increased productivity. AssistEdge RPA provides the Enterprise and Community editions. Enterprise Edition, which is the core product, is targeted for enterprise users, where one can configure as many automation processes as one wants, build and manage the digital workforce, and gain insights into the real-time performance of the automation program running across the enterprise. The Community Edition, which is a leaner version of the product, is targeted for students or learners where one configures automation processes and gets them executed by an inbuilt robot called EvaBot. The core offering of AssistEdge RPA, that is the Enterprise RPA, has three main components: Automation Studio, Control Tower, and Reporting Platform. Automation Studio is the design studio where process designers configure automations that empower robots. It has a user-friendly, simple, and intuitive GUI to configure automation processes with drag and drop and recorder functionalities. Once automation processes are ready, one needs robots to execute these processes. And this is where AssistEdge RPA Control Tower comes into picture. Control Tower is a web-based monitoring system used by bot managers to create, deploy, and manage robots running on different machines. Once the automation executes, the reporting platform is then used by business analysts to access the enterprise-class reporting and insights for auditing and tracking the automation program effectiveness. Around these main components, AssistEdge RPA provides a bundle of key features. To get started with using Automation Studio, the product provides extensive knowledge base and micro videos within the studio to understand various activities and suggestions for next best activity. The process designers can ingest intelligence into the processes by plugging in contextual and cognitive activities. These activities are capable to call ML models or leverage the leading providers' cognitive services into processes. AssistEdge Studio provides robust error and exception handling techniques to handle exceptions during process execution. Process designers can debug processes, handle common error scenarios by using activities to check for application unresponsiveness and unavailability, and ignore errors to continue process execution. AssistEdge RPA supports process versioning by integrating with external version control repositories such as Git. Discovery-led automation provides smart process sensing to understand granular process variations, document, and prioritize them. These processes are automatically and seamlessly exported for automation in the design studio, all in a few clicks, thus accelerating time to value by up to 60%. The automation analytics feature offers data-enriched dashboards that enables enterprises to track key business and operational metrics and actionable insights, including process performance and automation ROI. Hope you got a bird's eye view of what AssistEdge RPA is, its components, and its key features. Explore more on AssistEdge RPA by checking out other videos. Thank you.